Hey, welcome back. Happy Saturday. Thank you guys so much for clicking into the video. So we are heading to two stores today. I'm gonna go to Walgreens and Dollar General. I kind of didn't make it to Walgreens this week because I don't know, life got busy. I only went to do the Crest deal. That was like a huge moneymaker deal. But besides that, I didn't go to Walgreens, so I'm gonna go to Walgreens first so I can do my couponing deals of the week, and then we're gonna go to Dollar General to do the 5 off 25. Let's get going. All right, y'all, so we are in store. First thing I'm gonna do is on the Old Spice. They are 2 for $10. Now here's the breakdown. Ignore my messy handwriting and my scratches. I was originally gonna pick up 4 to try to do the deal twice, but I guess you can only do it once per transaction, so kind of ignore how it looks, but just hear my voice. So it's 2 for $10, and when you buy 2 you get back a $4 register reward. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick up 2 priced at $10. I'm going to use a $4 off of 2 Old Spice manufacturer coupon that we have attached to our digital app. I'll pay $6 out of pocket, and then I'll get back $4 in register reward. So my final cost will only be $2 or $1 each. So this is going to be for my brother. This is, I guess, his favorite or his only deodorant he'll use. So I told my mom I'll try to help him out by finding good deals on this. And it happened to be that this week is a really good deal on Old Spice. Alright, so this is another item I'm picking up. I kind of forgot to make to write out a breakdown for you guys. So I'm just going to say it out loud, and then you'll see it on the Google Docs as well. So I'm going to grab this Gillette, however you say that, razors. So these are on sale this week for $9.99. And I do have a $3 off digital coupon that's attaching to this product. So it's going to bring my total all the way down to $6.99. And then for buying one, you get a $4 register reward. So after my register reward, my final price would be only $2.99 for this Gillette razors. There are people, I guess I've seen that some people actually have a $5 off Gillette manufacturer coupon on their digital app. So if you have the $5 off, it's a way hotter deal. You'll only be paying 99 cents, or your final cost will only be 99 cents. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is a freebie. It's going to be on the Colgate toothpaste. I'm going to go ahead, well, let's show you the deal. So these are on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 2 you get back 4,000 points. So my breakdown is I'm going to go ahead and pick up 2 at $2.99. It's going to total me $5.98. I'm going to use 2 of these $1 off manufacturer coupons. It's going to bring my total all the way down to $3.98, and then I'll get back 4,000 points, making my final cost free. Okay, so this week again, the nice sandwich bag, trash bags, and the complete home bags are buy 1 get 2 free. So my store is completely out of the nice, so I'm just going to go ahead and get the complete home. So I'm going to grab a total of 3. I'm only going to pay $2.79 or 93 cents each. So this will complete excuse me, this will complete my first transaction. Excuse me, guys. So this will complete my first transaction, and then I should be getting back a $4 register reward for the Old Spice and a $4 register reward for the Gillette. So what I'm going to do is use those 2 register rewards, and I'm going to use it towards my second transaction, which my second transaction will be about the beauty event going on. So I'm going to spend $25 and get back 7,000 points. So yeah. Okay, so to start off my second transaction, I went ahead and grabbed Shea Moisturizer. These are buy 1 get 1 50% off this week. You probably already noticed it's already in my cart. It was the first thing I grabbed because it's a hot deal, and so I wanted to make sure I got into it. So I was going to grab 4, but there's only 1 left, so left me 1 short. Anyways, the deal on the Shea Moisture is you buy 2 at $3.99, so you'll pay 1 at $3.99, the other one you'll pay at $1.99. It's going to total you $5.98, and then we have a $5 off of 2 Shea Moisture products. You can find these in the 426 Retail Me Not. They do expire tomorrow. So you use the 5 off of 2, your final cost will be only 98 cents or 49 cents each. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is grab a Revlon foundation. So this week Revlon is when you spend $8, you get back a $8 register reward. I know that has been having issues for some people, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the Revlon Glow foundation at $10.99. I did want to get the regular one because I have oily skin, but I know this one was working for others, and I don't want to risk it right now that it doesn't come off. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab the Glow. And so the breakdown with the Revlon is I'll buy 1 Revlon at $10.99. I'm going to use this 3 off of Revlon Face Cosmetics manufacturer coupon. It's going to bring my total all the way down to $8.99, and then I'll get back the $8 register reward, making my final cost only 99 cents, but we are pairing it with the $25 beauty deal, so it's going to be even cheaper than that. Okay guys, so for the final item for the spend $25 beauty deal, I'm going to grab Maybelline Cosmetics. They are buy one get one 50% off. I know most people got a $10 off of 2 manufacturer digital coupon, but I got a $6 off of 2. So sadly, but the deal will still work out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the mascara priced at $7.79, and then I'm going to grab one of the eyeshadows that are originally $3.99, but they're going to be 50% off, so it's going to be at $1.99. Now the deal is, excuse the messy handwriting because I just did it right now. I'll buy, that's the 2 products together. It's going to total me $9.78. I'll use the 6 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that you can find on the digital app, and I'll pay $3.78 or $1.89 for each. So that's going to be the final 2 items I'm going to grab. Now I am going to grab like super cheap items. I'm going to try to grab something that's like 50 cents, like 3 50-cent items, because I'm going to be rolling over this $3 off register rewards that I grabbed last week, and then the 2 $4 register rewards I'm going to be getting for my first transaction, I'm going to be rolling it over to my second. So in order to use those register rewards, I need to use what's it called, products that I don't have another manufacturer coupon for, because keep in mind, register rewards are manufacturer coupons. So I'm gonna have to find something cheap, so I'll be able to roll those over, and then hopefully everything will work out perfectly fine. So yeah, let me go grab my items and then we'll be ready to check out. All right, y'all, so Walgreens was pretty much a good success. I'm really happy with how my deals worked out. So I apologize if you guys can see the crazy mess in my car and the bad lighting. I'm trying to do this where it looks pretty good, but the sun is out and I'm at a really bad angle here. So here's a receipt for my first transaction. I picked up the nice bags, the Gillette razors, the 2 of the Old Spice deodorants, 2 Colgate toothpaste. So my total for everything after coupons was pretty much around $19, and I think it was like $19.76. So I wanted to use 20,000 points, so I just grabbed a 50-cent or 59-cent lollipop so that it could push me over the $20 limit, and then I rolled 20,000 or 20, yeah, I rolled 20,000 points. So I only paid $2.26 out of pocket, and then I did get back let's go back up here. I got back the $4 register reward for the Gillette razors, and then I did get back the $4 register reward for the Old Spice. With that Gillette I don't know how to say it, I'm sorry. With that razor, I was scared that the $4 off register reward wasn't going to print, because it's not a I didn't know if that deal counted as a buy deal or a spend deal, so I wasn't really sure, but it did print, so yay. So I did get back $8 in register rewards, and then I also got back 4,000 points for my Colgate toothbrush. So as you can see here, I got back 4,000 points. Closing balance 20,000. How? Oh yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's the receipt for the first transaction. It's lighting really bad. So here's the receipt for my second transaction. I grabbed the Shea moisturizer smoothie things, the Maybelline makeup cosmetics. I grabbed the Revlon, and I grabbed 3 lollipops. So keep in mind, I told you guys I wanted to, roll over $11 in register rewards. In order to do that, I needed to grab an item to meet so that the register rewards can match, so it could be applied to my total pretty much. So I just grabbed 3 of the lollipops. So all my coupons came off besides the Maybelline, the $6 off of 2. Unfortunately, that one did not come off. When I scanned it, it did meet the requirements, but I don't know what happened that it didn't come off. So my total was supposed to only be $5.09, but it rung up as $11.09. So what I'm going to do is just try contacting Walgreens and seeing if they can give me that coupon back in points. So I did hit the beauty mark, so I did get back the 7,000 points. The reason you see I got back 12,000 points is because I had a spend. Sorry if you can hear the sirens. Hold on, give me a second. So I had a spend 20 get 5,000 points paper store coupon, and I use that as well as the digital spend 25 get 7,000 points, and they both came off perfectly fine together, so I was able to get back a total of 12,000 points. So pretty much making all my products that I grabbed here completely free. Super happy about that. So yeah, I get, oh sorry, and then I also got the $8 register reward for the Revlon cosmetics. So yeah guys, hot deal. So this is pretty much the coupon that I use. When you spend 20 you get back 5,000 points. This printed out for me when I checked out on my first transaction, and then it printed out for me again during my second transaction. So just keep in mind, if you have 2 spend deals attached to your digital app, it's only going to take one. It's going to take the lesser value first. But if you have one that's paper and one that's digital, you can use them together, which is crazy. I tried that a long time ago. I tried it out to see if it would work. It did work, so I've been doing it ever since, and it's freaking awesome. So yeah, pretty much, yeah, Walgreens was pretty much a success. Oh my god, I'm sorry, my car is so messy. I don't want you guys to see it. It's so bad right now. So Walgreens was a success. Let's head on to Dollar General. All right, y'all. So I'm back home from my little shopping at the stores today. So here's what I pretty much got at Dollar General. It was a little complicated. I was gonna try to do a cat litter deal. However, they didn't have enough bags. And then I realized that's a good thing, because a cat litter deal, I don't know, it looked like the kind of formula that I have going on right now, and I don't like that formula, so I'm kind of glad I kind of steered away from that deal. So anywho, this is what I ended up coming out with. This is all digital coupons used for all of this right here. I don't know if you guys notice or feel the same way, but I feel like the coupons I pretty much have left are just kind of like not really that good. At least when I kind of first looked at it at first glance, I wasn't really feeling it this week. But after seeing that the cat litter deal wasn't falling through, I really took the time out to go through my coupons and try to get the best deal with what I had, and I'm actually kind of pretty happy with how this turned out. So to review, I grabbed these, I can't pronounce this name, so we're gonna call it the G. I grabbed the G razors. These are $5.95, and when you, oh sorry, these are $5, and I was gonna say when you buy one you get, you know, like something back, but no, we're not at Walgreens, girl. Anyways, so these are $5.95, and we have a $3 off digital coupon. The Tylenol is priced at $4, and we have a $2 off digital coupon. The Crest toothpaste is priced at $2, and we have a $1 off digital coupon. The Bic Flex wand, so this is like I don't even know, the lighter wand. These are priced at $3.50, and we have a $2 off digital coupon. In my store, it's tagged at $4, and when I scanned it on the ad, it said $4, but it rang up as $3.50. So luckily, I was already over still. I was like $1 and something over when I calculated everything in my head, so I still made my $25 mark. So awesome. And now the Dawn dish soap is priced at $2.50, and we have a $1 off digital coupon. These Head and Shoulders, you can find them in the the travel section. These are $2 each, and when you buy 2, we have a $3 off digital coupon on 2. And then I grabbed the Gang Flings that are priced at $3.95, and we have a $1 off manufacturer coupon. So again, all digital coupons. Here's the receipt for Dollar General. All my coupons came off. I had no issues at all. I don't know why there's a star there, but it was $4. Maybe it was on sale this week, but yeah, it rung up as $3.50. So yeah, boom, boom, boom. And there's my subtotal. I only paid $7.90 for all 8 items, or 98 cents each. So really happy with how my deals worked out for me at Dollar General. I do want to say, I know with the Head and Shoulders that technically that coupon it excludes child and travel items. I will say, I do not promote misuse of coupons. And you know what? I want you guys to look at me while I say this. All right, this is the best we're going to get here. So, ignore my messy house. I know it's a progress. So I don't promote misuse of coupons. I'm really against people. I don't want to sound, but I really don't like when I see posts and stuff about people using coupons for a product that's not even that product. Like they'll use a Head and Shoulders coupon for like a Crest soap or something, like, you know what I mean? Just try to see whatever doesn't beep, they'll do it. I don't do that. I don't promote that. I don't like that. However, when it comes to digital coupons, if a digital coupon attaches to the size restriction that it's not supposed to attach, it's digital, I'm gonna kind of take advantage of that glitch. I guess in a way that is kind of wrong too, but the way I see it, it's digital. I'm not forcing it. It's not a paper coupon I'm using. It's kind of like a little wiggle room that I kind of go by. Like I know with the Dawn dish soap at Family Dollar, the $1 off was attaching to the $1.50 Dawn dish soap, so I did take advantage of that. I know the Tide Pods, the $2 off was attaching to the Simply Pods. I did take advantage of that. So when digitals, I do take advantage of digitals when they clip to an item that they're not technically supposed to clip to. However, it's still the same brand, so I kind of just like in my head tell myself that it's okay. So, but I know misuse of coupon is wrong, and I am very aware of that, and I don't want to promote that. I don't like that idea, so I hope you guys don't get the wrong impression of me. I just kind of, I scan the item, and if a coupon attaches to it, I'm going to go ahead and go for it when it's digital. I will never do that with paper coupons. Anyway, so I am glad to be back home. It is Mother's Day weekend, so happy Mother's Day to everyone who is a mommy or what's it called, an animal mommy or something. So I hope you guys all have an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.